Hello friends, I welcome all of you in my channel Classic Vijay Vlogs. Friends, if you really want to learn English communication skills, how to speak fluently in English through vlogging. So if you looking such as a vlog that is a English medium and you want to learn English communication skill through vlogging, my channel Classic Vijay Vlog, it is a very important for you, because in this channel I regularly upload vlog in English medium. Through this vlogging, you can improve your communication skill in English with this miracle morning with nature greenery. So friends, I always love to walk alone in this miracle morning with nature. So here you can see surrounding of me lot of greenery, peace. There are so many trees, plants, birds. There are so many insects surrounding me. So if you going outside from home and such is a miracle morning, you will connect with nature. You can see. So just I show you the view of this park. Everywhere is a greenery, peaceful, calm, quiet, and this is a right place, right time to explain about yourself, connect with nature, and you can talk with this nature universe. In this tree, there is a awesome flowers. You can see this is a tree, and this tree has a violet type of flowers. Awesome flowers in this tree, and there are so many monkey in this park. You can see one monkey sitting here. There is a monkey sitting here. There are so many monkey in this park. So friends, if wake up early morning, insect, animals, human, everybody need food. So after wake up early morning, they going outside for his searching food. So if you looking surrounding you, there are so many birds finding his foods in fields. Similarly, monkey also searching food in this park. They jumping from one branch to another one branch, and they playing each other. There are so many kids of this monkey as well. And there are so many monkey here. You can see small monkey, big monkey, childs. So this is a beauty of nature. So friends, if you going outside, you can easily connect with nature. This is a beauty of nature. So I like this beauty of nature. I like walking alone in this magical miracle morning. And this is a soka tree. One monkey and monkey kid sitting on this tree. So friends, if you looking such as a blog where you can watch and learn English, my channel Classic Vijay Blog, it is a perfect for you. If you want to learn and enhance your English communication skill through blogging, this is a right place. So I believe friends, today time it is a English language. If you don't know English, it is very difficult to survive your private job. If you searching private job in the private sector, interview will conducted in English. Interview panel always ask question in English. Maybe you know the answer, but if you can't able to explain your idea, thought, emotion, if you can't explain your answer in English, it is very difficult to crack your interview. So friends, first of all, you need to keep practice each and every day. It is not a only one day task. You have to keep practice every day at least half an hour, and if you keep practice every day half an hour, simultaneously you will grow your English communication skills. So friends, if you really want to learn English, first you need to keep practice every day, every day. It is not a one day task. And here you can see there is a monkey. There is a monkey coming here. There is a big monkey. So in this park, there are so many monkey playing, jumping one branch to another one branch. And this monkey searching food. See, this monkey searching food and they eating flower. Yes, you can see this monkey eating flower. So I believe we should wake up early morning and go park and expand some quality time with nature. If you expand quality time with nature, your mind will sharp, your presence of mind will active, you will enhance your communication skill, you can observe, your observation power will increase, you know yourself better. So if you spend quality time with nature, there are so many benefits for you, for your daily life. And in this tree, there are some flowers growing. You can see. So in this tree of the root, some of the flower growing. So friends, tell me the name of this flower in comment section. What you say this? And this is a tree. This is a long tree. Wow. And there are so many birds living in the branches of the tree. There are so many birds build his nest, and if you listen carefully, there are so many birds chirping surrounding me. You can see surrounding of me beauty of nature. Awesome. So friends, if you thinking about why English communication it is a mandatory, why you need learn English communication skills, because today is a demand. Today is the demand for English communication skills. If you want to grow your career, if you want to switch your job, if you learn communication skill in English, there are so many opportunity open for you. You can apply your job national, international. You can search your job national, international clients. You will become team lead. This monkey drinking water. monkey and monkey kid. Wow, this is a awesome beauty of nature. Monkey and monkey's kid drinking water, and this is a monkey also. They have small kid. So there are so many monkey here in this park. This monkey also drinking water. So there are so many monkey jumping one branch to another one branch. Some monkey are kids, some monkey are big. So if you going outside from home in this magical miracle morning, this is a good and perfect time to spend quality time with nature. You can observe yourself, you can connect with nature, with universe, you can talk with universe. So friends, I hope you like my vlog. If you like my vlog, write 2 lines your thought, emotion, idea, what you like in my vlog. If you really like my vlogs, please like, share and subscribe, and share this video to your family member, to your friends, in your friend group. And why you like my video, please write your idea, thought, emotion, 2 lines in the comment section of this video. You connected with me, I would like thank you from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for connected with me. Thanks once again. Thanks a lot. Thank you.